Located in the southeastern region of the United States, Kentucky is a state that holds a captivating blend of natural beauty, vibrant culture, and a rich history. Nestled between the Appalachian Mountains to the east and the Mississippi River to the west, Kentucky boasts a diverse landscape ranging from rolling hills and fertile valleys to expansive forests and mesmerizing cave systems. Welcome back to the Travel Guide. In today's video, we will be highlighting Kentucky and everything it has to offer. Things to do: explore Mammoth Cave National Park. Embark on a subterranean adventure in the world's longest known cave system. Mammoth Cave National Park offers mesmerizing underground landscapes, intricate cave formations, and guided tours that unveil the geological wonders hidden beneath Kentucky's surface. Visit the Kentucky Derby Museum. Immerse yourself in the thrill and glamour of the most famous horse race in the world at the Kentucky Derby Museum in Louisville. Discover the history, traditions, and stories behind this iconic event through interactive exhibits, multimedia presentations, and even a chance to view the racecourse from the museum's balcony. Tour the Bourbon Trail. Delve into Kentucky's rich bourbon heritage with a tour along the legendary Bourbon Trail. This collection of distilleries showcases the state's time-honored bourbon-making traditions, offering visitors an opportunity to learn about the craft, sample a variety of exquisite bourbons, and witness the artistry that goes into every barrel. Experience the natural beauty of Red River Gorge. Venture into the stunning Red River Gorge, a geological wonderland renowned for its towering sandstone cliffs, lush forests, and abundant hiking trails. With its awe-inspiring beauty and diverse wildlife, Red River Gorge offers endless opportunities for exploration and a chance to reconnect with nature. Discover Kentucky's distinctive cuisine. Indulge your taste buds in the flavors of Kentucky's distinctive cuisine, which goes beyond just bourbon. From hearty southern classics like fried chicken, cornbread, and catfish, to regional specialties like the hot brown sandwich and burgoo, the state's culinary scene is a celebration of comfort food and local ingredients. Don't miss the chance to savor a slice of Kentucky's famous Derby pie, a delectable dessert made with chocolate, pecans, and a buttery crust. Transportation options. Transportation options in Kentucky provide convenience and accessibility for travelers. The state is served by several major airports, including Louisville International Airport and Cincinnati Northern Kentucky International Airport, making it easy to fly in and out of the region. Additionally, Kentucky's well-connected highway systems allows for convenient road travel, whether by car or bus, with major interstates like I-64 and I-75 running through the state. Within cities, public transportation options such as buses and light rail systems are available, offering efficient ways to navigate urban areas. Places to stay. Kentucky offers a wide range of accommodation options to suit every traveler's needs and preferences. From luxury hotels and resorts to cozy bed and breakfasts, rustic cabins, and campgrounds, there is something for every budget and style. In cities like Louisville and Lexington, you'll find a plethora of upscale hotels with modern amenities, while smaller towns and rural areas offer charming and unique lodging experiences. Best time to visit. The best times to visit Kentucky largely depend on personal preferences and desired activities. Spring and fall offer pleasant weather with mild temperatures, making them ideal for outdoor pursuits such as hiking, horseback riding, and exploring the state's natural beauty. Springtime brings blooming flowers and lush greenery, while autumn dazzles visitors with vibrant foliage. Summers in Kentucky can be hot and humid, but they also offer opportunities for water activities and festivals. Winter in Kentucky can be cold, especially in the mountainous regions, but it's a great time for indoor attractions like museums and bourbon tastings. Kentucky beckons travelers with its captivating charm and a myriad of experiences that leave a lasting impression. Whether you're exploring the enchanting caves, savoring the flavors of bourbon country, or indulging in the thrill of horse racing, Kentucky offers a tapestry of delights that cater to every taste. With that, we've reached the end of our video. To see a list of our favorite and most useful travel gadgets, check the link in the description. We hope you enjoyed our travel guide showcasing all that Kentucky has to offer.
If you've enjoyed our video, check out these other recent videos from the Travel Guide. And be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.